Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select wallpaper and style. And then on the right side, select set your wallpaper and style. And then from this menu or this window that appears, if you scroll down, you can select the wallpaper and click the little right arrow, which will then open up additional images that are on your computer, as well as ones I believe it does find online. You can view your images that are saved on your device, select whatever one you're looking for basically, and then that would change the desktop wallpaper as well as the accent color. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.